Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to send audio messages on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is open the messaging application on Android. So in the messaging application itself, there will be inbuilt feature for sending the audio message. You can see over here the messages application has been opened. You'll be able to see all the chat over here. Simply tap on the chat where you want to send the audio message. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. Over here you'll be able to find several options. At bottom you'll be able to see the text message bar. At the bottom left corner of your screen you'll be able to find the plus icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like gallery, gifs, stickers, files, location, contacts, etc. Tap on the option files. Now you can see over here you'll be able to choose the file. Simply tap on the option audio that you can see at the top. Now you'll be able to see all the audio files over here. Tap on the audio file that you want to send. Now tap on the select option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the audio message has been selected. You can also add the text if you want. After you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the audio message will be sent. So that is how you send audio messages on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.